Hello friends, I am going to discuss number systems. Number system can be defined two parts. Number systems can be defined two parts. First is the real numbers and second is imaginary number. Real number represent line numbers. For examples, real number represent in line numbers. For examples, 0, 1, 2, all positive numbers 3, 4, so on, infinity, and all negative numbers -1, -2, -3, so on, minus infinity. This represent inline numbers. Inline all positive numbers and represent in negative numbers. Zero is zero is neutral numbers. Zero is neutral numbers. I have discussed is imaginary numbers. Imaginary numbers is not represent a line numbers, not represent in line numbers. For example, -1 under root -1. Imaginary numbers is denoted by I. -1 equal to I. For example, -7 under root -7. Yeah, under root -26. Under root -7 is write as root 7 into root -1. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 is imaginary number. And next part is complex number. What is complex number? Complex number. Complex number is represented by a plus minus ib. I equal to I is imaginary number. Imaginary number. For example, 3 plus minus 2i. I is imaginary number. And next discussion is real numbers. What is real numbers? Real numbers. Real is classified in two parts: integers and decimals. Integers is classified two parts: negative and positive, and also known as non-negative. Non-negative numbers. Negative numbers, for example, -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2 all is said negative numbers, and positive numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on infinitive is all positive set is non-negative numbers. Become 0 is starting in non-negative numbers, then also known as and other known as whole numbers. It's called whole numbers. If 0 is starting, if starting 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is called whole numbers. Integers numbers classified part to integers and other forms integers, even and odd. Even which can be expressed to n forms, which can be expressed to n forms. For example, -6, -4, -2, 0, +2, +4, +6 is all numbers divisible by 2. All numbers divisible by 2. minus minus 6 by 2 equal to -3. So -6 can be divisible by 2. -4 divided by 2, -2. -4 divisible by 2. And other form positive form the divisible by 2. Odd numbers can define not divisible by 2. Not divisible by 2. For example, -7, -4, -3 या पॉजिटिव सेट +7 +5 +3. It's not divisible by 2. Odd number is represented by 2n plus 1 forms. 2n plus 1 forms. And next is decimals. And next is decimal. Decimal is classified to two parts: terminating decimal and other is non-terminating decimal. Terminating decimals is, for example, 0.86 is next number. 0.86 is next number is end number. Yeah, 0.86 after end. Two numbers after decimals after two numbers end numbers, not continuously number. 0.346 end numbers, not continuously numbers. 0.5456 not any numbers, can be next numbers, end numbers after end numbers. And non-terminating numbers is 0.6666 continuously write as it is the non-terminating decimal numbers, not ending. 0.3333 not ending. 0.454545 continuously write as not ending. Is called the non-terminating decimal and terminating decimals. Next point is rational numbers. Rational numbers. Right to be rational numbers. Right to be P by Q forms. P and Q belongs to integers numbers, and Q which is not equal to 0. For examples, 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is P by Q forms, and Q is not equal to 0. Examples: 4 by 9, 514 by 214, 788 by 591 each rational numbers. Each rational numbers. Next is irrational numbers. Next is irrational numbers. Irrational numbers not right to be P by Q form. For examples, root 3, root 7, root 2, root 11, and pi. Each irrational numbers. Root 3 expressed 1.732 continuously numbers, then infinitive. Root 2 1.414. Root 2 value in 1.414 continuously numbers, so on, is the irrational numbers. Some basic rule. Some basic rule. If odd plus odd, what is the next odd या even? The odd plus odd is even. Odd plus even, odd. Even plus even, even. For example, 3 plus 6 equal to 9. 3 is odd numbers and 6 is even numbers. Odd numbers plus even numbers. Odd number plus even numbers. Odd number. The odd numbers even numbers equal to 9, and 9 is odd numbers. Next example, 4 plus 10 equal to 14. 4 plus 10 equal value is 14. 4 is even numbers and 10 is even numbers. In rule, even numbers equal even number. 14 is even numbers. That's all right. Next rule, odd multiplication, odd in value, odd numbers, odd multiplication, even value is even numbers, even multiplication, even value is even numbers. For example, 3 into 5 multiplication is value is 15. 3 is odd numbers and 5 is odd numbers. Then value is 15 odd numbers. In rule first, odd into odd equal to odd. 3 is odd numbers, 5 is odd numbers, and 3 multiplication of 5 is value is 15. It is 15 is odd numbers. Next examples. Next examples. 3 into 66. 3 into 6 multiplication by 3 into 6 multiplication is value is 18. 3 is odd numbers and 6 is even numbers. Then value is even numbers. Rule, odd into even equal to even numbers. And next is define natural numbers. Natural numbers. Natural numbers is as positive set 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on infinitive numbers. All positive sets is natural numbers. Natural numbers can be classified into two parts. First is prime numbers and second is composite numbers. Composite numbers. Prime numbers is defined prime number. Prime numbers has exactly two factors. Has exactly two factors. One and itself. Prime number 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and so on. It's the prime numbers. Factors 2, 1, and 2. Value are two numbers in the two factors. First is 1 and itself. Itself is 2. Value of 3 and two factors 1 and itself 3. 2 is smallest prime numbers. Smallest prime number and only even numbers, even prime numbers. And next is composite numbers. Composite numbers. Composite numbers, not prime number, is composite numbers. For examples, 10. At least composite number is 10 factors, 3 factors. At least 3 factors. 10 values factors 1, 2, 5 and itself. Then 4 factors. Okay. Thank you, friend. All number system is defined integers, prime numbers, rational numbers, irrational numbers. I hope you understand this all theories, factors and numbers. Thank you for watching.